12 hours of battery life for a 7-year-old MacBook. That's what Apple says. Okay, so the Mac is at 100%. Let's start the challenge. The rules are simple. The Mac goes to 3 levels of testing. Level number 1, we're gonna play videos. Level number 2, we start browsing the web and start to use the Mac like a normal person would. Level 3, the final extreme level, we are gonna use this for video production. Now back to the challenge. Just note that we are using Arc. We will need that in a few seconds. After 30 minutes into the test, we are at 90%, which means we lost about 10% in just half an hour. Okay, so this is getting kind of boring. Let's get straight into the results. The results are 3 hours, 53 minutes, kind of 4 hour-ish. So, considering that this is a 7-year-old machine, yeah, it's considerable. Yeah, it's kind of okay for that. But level 2's results are going to surprise you. So level 2, after 30 minutes, we are at 97%, only 3% lost. Considering level 1, why? Like we lost about 10% and here only 3%? Well, there's a real good reason for it, because I told you to note a point that we are using Arc in level 1 and right now I use Safari. That is the reason why we are getting this amount of efficiency. So yeah, the software that you use also matters. So 1 hour of watching videos in YouTube using Safari, we are at 88%. However, we are switching over to Arc again because not everyone is using Safari these days. And after using Arc to play videos for another hour, we are at 65%. After watching YouTube videos for almost 2 hours, I switched over to coding. After all of that, the results are in. The result is 4 hours and 30 minutes. Yeah, it's more than level 1. Why? It's all thanks to Safari and the great optimization work that Apple has done to save up battery life. Now level 3, we just don't care. We're gonna put it to the test. I started the test with scripting and planning. About 10 minutes of scripting and planning, we were still at 100%. I used Notion to do this, just in case if you need to know. Then we moved on to audio recording. After almost 20 minutes of audio recording, we were at 95%, almost 5% decreased. Then we were at the fun part, editing the video. Almost an hour of video editing later, we were at 69%. Then I exported my video, checked for issues, fixed all of those, exported again, and this happened a lot of times. And after almost 2 hours and 45 minutes, we were at 32%. And the results are 3 hours of battery life for video production. So here you go, these are the results. Subscribe for more and bye.